Good. And now, the entrance of the sixth prince and princess. It's third Alan R. Garcia and Kimberly Catherine Orias. Third Alan R. Garcia is the son of Mark Joseph Garcia and Rochelle R. Reyes. His family and friends call him Tak Tak, and he's in preparatory level. His birthday is January 11, 2007, and he's now 5 years old. His ambition is to become an engineer, and his hobby includes playing.
Kimberly Catherine Orias, the daughter of Carlos Orias Jr. and Nora Aldo Orias. She's known as Kim, nursery level. She was born on July 10, 2008, and she is 4 years old. And she wants to be a teacher someday. And she loves to sing and dance.
So ladies and gentlemen, the sixth prince and princess, Third Alan Garcia and Kimberly Catherine Orias.
Now the first runner-up, Juan Luis Marcelino and Alexis George Micael Jr.
Alright, Juan Luis Marcelino is the son of Mr. Romualdo Baleva and Miss Wilma Marcelino. His family and friends call him Luis, and it's in kinder level. And his date of birth is December 13, 2006, and is now 6 years old. He would like to become a seaman someday, and his hobbies includes playing computer.
Alexis Joyce Dino, also known as Alex, is the daughter of Michael Dino and May Joyce Dino. She was born December 14, 2007, and now she is 5 years old. She wants to be a doctor someday. She loves to play computer games and biking.
Right, and the entrance of the fourth prince and princess, Derek Kim Agudo and Jamila M. Laudico. Derek Kim Agudo is in nursery level. He's the son of Mr. Frederick Agudo and Mrs. Lilia Agudo. He was born on August 15, 2008, and is now 4 years old. He would like to become a doctor someday, and his hobbies include dancing and playing ball.
Jumela M. Laudico, along with Joella Ormela, is the daughter of Manuel Laudico and John Laudico. She was born on July 18, 2007, and now she is 5 years old. She wants to be a teacher someday. She loves to play computer games and painting. And now let's welcome the third prince and princess. Akil Bon A. Anaking and Evelyn G. Magbagay.
Akil Bon A. Anaking. His family and friends call him Kiel. He's in nursery level. He's the son of Mr. and Mrs. Bonifacio and Eileen Anaking. And he wants to become a doctor someday. And he likes watching cartoons, movies, and music videos.
Evelyn G. Magbagay was a kinder level. She's known as Evelyn. She's born in 2007 and now she is 5 years old. She's the daughter of Evelyn G. Magbagay and Arlene G. Magbagay. She wants to be a teacher someday, and she loves reading books.
Dapat yung first, second, third, and sa ano. Doon dapat sa gilid. Hindi no, mali.
Oo, ginano nila eh.
Oo nga eh.
Dapat alternate eh.
Oo.
Ay na.
And now,
Sa kabila siya dapat eh.
I-alternate
the
yan.
entrance of the second prince and princess, Julius Rafael Legaspi and Ariane Joyce Sablay.
Oo.
Julius Rafael is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Apollonia and Melody Legaspi. He's in nursery level, and his friends and family call him Jules. He was born on October 8, 2008, and is now 4 years old. He wants to become a doctor someday, And he likes playing, singing, and sometimes dancing.
Orange Joy Supply. In 2011, she was born April 25, 2008. She was 4 years old. She was daughter of Romero Sablay and Mario Fer Sablay. She wants to be a doctor someday. She loves watching cartoons and playing Barbie. Okay. And now let's welcome the first Prince and Princess, John Michael M. Hoover and Zarabel P. Olmogen.
John Michael is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Julius and Marilu Hoover, and is now 4 years old. His friends and family calls him JM and is in nursery level. He wants to become a doctor someday, and he likes singing.
Zarabel P. Olmogen is the daughter of Nancy A. Olmogen and Linabel P. Olmogen. She was born on February 7, 2008, and she is now 4 years old, a nursery level. She wants to be a teacher someday, and she loves watching TV and biking.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Prince and Princess have passed 2012. And now the moment we have been waiting for. The entrance of Little King and Queen of class 2012. Faisal, Shun, and Kamansa.
And Suzy Angela Orensa.
Faisal is fondly called Shun, and he is in preparatory level. He was born on July 6, 2007, and he's now 5 years old. He is the son of Sabre Kamansa and Berlin Kamansa. He would like to become an engineer someday, and his habits include playing basketball and watching TV.
Suzy Angela Orensa, her family and friends, when we like to call her Zuzu, is the daughter of Lauren L. Orensa and Reverend Jonah Joy Orensa. She was born on July 7, 2008, and she is 4 years old, a nursery level. She wants to be a beauty queen someday. She likes watching movies and playing toy cars.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our reigning royalties, the Little King and Queen of past 2012, and the Prince and Princess of past 2012. Alright, and to give us an information number,